In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create multiple organizations in Zoho People. This is useful when you manage more than one company, brand, or branch, and you want to keep each organization's employee data and settings separated while still using the same Zoho People account. The process is quick, and once it is set up, switching between organizations only takes a moment. First, make sure you are signed in to Zoho People, and you are on the main dashboard. Look to the top right corner of the screen and find your profile image. This is the menu you will use to manage your account and organization options. Click on the profile image to open the drop-down menu. In that menu, select Manage Organizations. This area is where Zoho People lists the organizations connected to your account. It also gives you the option to add a new one. Take a second to confirm you are in the correct place before you create anything, especially if you already have an organization set up and you want to keep it unchanged. Next, click Add Organization. Zoho People will open a form where you can enter the information for the new organization. Start by entering the organization name. Choose a clear name that you will immediately recognize later when you are switching between organizations, especially if you plan to add several. Then fill in the rest of the requested details on the form. Enter the information carefully, because these details may be used in your organization profile, internal records, and system settings. When you have reviewed what you entered, click Create. Zoho People will generate the new organization and add it to your list. If it takes a moment to load, wait until you see confirmation that the organization has been created. Finally, to switch between your organizations, go back to the top right corner and click your profile image again. You will see the organization options in the menu, and you can select the one you want to work in. Always double-check the active organization before making changes, adding employees, or adjusting settings so your updates go to the correct place. And that is all there is to it.